Good evening, boys and girls. In this experiment, we're going to test one of the properties of air, that air exerts pressure. For this experiment, we will need a glass jar, a candle, an empty pie plate, a barbecue lighter, and because this involves fire, please don't try it at home. We also need a glass of water that I have dyed blue with food coloring. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the water into the pie plate, just like that. Then I'm going to take the candle and I'm going to gently put it in the middle of the pie plate. And in a moment, what I'm going to do is light the candle, and then I'm going to take the empty jar and place it on top of the candle and submerge it all the way to the bottom. I'd like you to take a second to think with your partner what will happen when I light the candle and then take the jar and push it all the way down to the bottom of the candle. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm going to start by lighting the candle. Alright, and then I'm going to take the jar. Make sure you're observing what happens. Wow. That is really neat. Alright, let's take a moment to discuss what happened. What happened was the candle burned off all of the oxygen inside of the jar, and once that happened, it created a vacuum by creating an area of low pressure. Outside of the jar was lots of high pressure, and it forced all the water from the pie plate to suck up through the vacuum and go into the area of low pressure. This shows us that yes, air does exert pressure.